The second experience sharing is from the favorite sector of any woman in this world. Any guesses?
There is only one lady, I guess, here. And of course, diamonds and jewelries.
Yeah, it is diamond and jewelry. To share their experience, we have Mittal Purani ji. Mittal ji is general manager working since 15 years with Diamond Jewelry. He is a part of top management and involved in strategic planning, decision making and operational excellence. He has more than 17 years of experience in jewelry manufacturing, handling different operations. As a part of corporate social responsibility, he is involved in setting up Science College for the travel students near Dharampur village, Valsad. I would like to call Mittal ji and his team to share their experience.
Before I start my presentation, today I'm going to share my experience on the training system that we have implemented in our company. Lot of things we have implemented, but before I get into that detailing, just let me brief you about my company. Diatrends, we are into manufacturing of gold, diamond-studded jewelry. We are catering to leading brands in USA and Europe. Our facilities, we are located in Andheri, Mumbai. We are around 275 people, and catering to our capacity is monthly we are doing approximately 15 kilos of gold and 150,000 of diamonds. So this is basically a general brief about our company. What do we do? Our specialization, our products. We are manufacturing basic products with a touch of a difference. Now, touch of a difference I'll tell you a little later. So this is a basic ring. This is what we are making. So ring, earring, pendant. Other than that, we are specialized into high jewelry product. Now, high jewelry product, which is basically for the celebrities and for the weddings and all, very expensive product that we are making. What is our specialization? What do we do? Why we are calling as a touch of a difference? Why we are so quality conscious? Let me just give you a little bit of glimpse about it. This is a simple bracelet which you can see, anybody can wear it. But what we do is, we make it a little funny, we can make little life into it. So the women can really enjoy, this is a moving, have funny diamonds. Other than that, this is a simple earring, but we make it in a modular fashion. So you can wear it as a one piece, you can wear it in two different types, depending upon the occasion. So people can really enjoy, especially the women, This is where we are specialized into. Now coming forward, how do we make this? What is our way of doing? So what is a general jewelry making process? Let me just give you a video, and this video is really important because this will tell you why TWIJI. This is our jewelry manufacturing process, which starts with the basic wax injection. So jewelry is in a wax form. So these are the components. Then we have to make the tree of this components. So once these component trees are ready, the next method is the casting, which is lost wax casting method. Basically, we are converting wax into gold now. Automated process. So once the gold, this is the gold tree, we have to cut the components, we have to separate it out, and then we have to start each and every component we call as a filing or internal cleaning, giving it the shape, cleaning all the excess surfaces and all. Then we need to polish internally, to make sure that it shines internally also. So each and every component corners everywhere. Followed by setting the stone, which is very important. So each stone you have to set, pick it up, set. Then we need to assemble all the components. This is really very important steps. And then at the end, once the components are assembled, we have to just give the final polish to just make that jewelry look gorgeous, the lusters and all, everything. So the question comes, these are the process that we are following. What do you think, what do you derive out of this? If I can ask you.
It requires high skill.
Yes. It is like, it's too much, labor intensive. We have to do everything by hands, doing detailing and all that thing. We are highly dependent on the craftsmanship of the people, the skills, everything required really very high. So we are dependent on people. It's everything people driven. Plus on top of it, the international brands, they are really demanding nowadays very high quality, high expectations and all going on. So what? So what are the challenges now for us? The skilled people are really scared. This is what my friend, they have also explained the same thing, and we are also sailing the same boat. We are also having the same problem. So the skilled manpowers are not easily available. Plus the training time. Once either we have to take anyone from outside who knows the process, or fresh people. It takes a lot of time. Let me explain you what does a lot of time means. I'm just giving you the example of a fresh person. If we have to hire a fresh person in our organization, how much time we are taking? For example, if we hire a fresh person, he has to learn the basics first because he's a fresh, he has no idea. So what is filing, what is jewelry, what is the various processes and all that thing. So we take 2 to 3 months to explain that person, basics of the jewelry. Once that has been done, we select them for the various processes. Any process which say, okay, now we are selected for process A, B, C, D, whatever. That takes 3 to 15 months to train them of that particular process. And after that, we ask them to start producing, which takes 24 to 36 months. After 24-36 months, that person will be ready to, he will start producing as per the quality, as per the production norms and all. So basically, this journey is starting from around 30 months to 48 months. This is too short, correct? Yeah, it is too long. This is where we have a problem. And because of that, what is happening? Resulting? We have an opportunity to grow, but because of this longer training process and all, we are not able to scale up. And this is where our major concern is. So what to do? So this is what we have thrown this question to Kaizen team. Saurabh sir, he is with us. And they have come up with a solution which we call TWIJI. Because our goal is to train and settle new employees, trainees, in a shortest possible time, achieving B-level skill. We are not expecting that A level and all that thing. Right now, we are content with the B level. So this was our aim, and they have come up with the solution. They said TWIJI will help us. And this is where our journey started. How did we start? Our approach is very simple. We form a team of a top management, and with the trainers, shop floor trainers, we have selected them, and we had a 5 days workshop with the Kaizen team. They have explained us what is TWI, how to go ahead, what are the technicality of it, which he has already explained. I'm not getting into detailing of that. But the basic, what we did after that, we have prepared the project charter, defining our objectives, defining our concerns, and our targets. What is our target? So now team is set, ready. What do we need to do? Once that has been done, we have started with the skill matrix, and so which is exactly in the same your fashion, maybe a little bit of different way. So we have decided the critical operations only. So there are a few critical operations. We will say, okay, we will start with this operation first, and we have started preparing the skill matrix. So this is the skill matrix of one particular department, where we have listed down all the name of the people, plus followed by we have a skill within a skill. So what we can call is a sub skills. So we have a sub skills. Then we have started 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, exactly the same way. And then we found out the gap and we started our process then, training them. So once this has been identified, we have prepared the action plan. क्या करना है? What do we need to do? So we have listed down all the processes. We have listed down how many job breakdown sheets we have to prepare and how many presentation or the demonstration we may have to give. If you see at the bottom, total we came to know it's around 149 job breakdown sheets and 1944 demonstration. This is what we were supposed to do. Challenges. Now the game begins. Preparing so many job breakdown sheet, 149, which includes around 25 days of work. Number one. Number two, same here, we have the same problem, the literacy level. They are not even school pass outs. So if we ask them to sit and write, it is a big challenge. I am sure you all are in the same way, same boat, correct? If you ask your worker, come on now, kuch likho, to bolenge, we are here to produce, we are not here to write, correct? And this is where they have a problem. So they say, no. And initial hesitancy. Any new change, the people will say, sab kuch sahi to chal raha hai. Why you want to, make all this thing new? We are doing a good job, correct? But then we say, no, this is something new, we wanted to do it, and let's try. So we have to convince them. Solution. क्या करेंगे हम लोग? How to convince them and how to solve this problem? So what we have decided is, first of all, writing in English is like a complete no for us, correct? These people cannot write. So we said, write it down in your mother tongue. Hindi, English, Marathi, whatever language you are comfortable, we don't mind. Because job breakdown sheet is not for everyone or like it is not for organization, SOP and all. It is basically a trainer's guide. So trainer has to understand what he has written because he is using that guide to train people. So let him write in his own way. So that is a confidence number one. Second confidence, what we did is like to gain their confidence that you prepare just one job breakdown sheet. Make only one and try to give a presentation of that. And they did it. And that has given them a confidence. Okay, ये possible hai, it is possible to do it without worrying about it. So that is the second confidence booster we have given to them. Third is we make sure that all the department heads, the head of HOD, see usually what happens, HODs and all, they don't allow the people, ये सब नहीं करने का है, अपने को production करने का है, we have to focus on the production only. But then we have convinced, help them these people, like give them little free time, invest time, to reap the benefits. So this is the third step we followed. And very important for me, Mr. Amir Khan will be very unhappy with me. We said we believe in the progress, not in perfection. Let's start, forget about doing everything in perfection, nice formatting, perfect detailing. No, this was complete no from our side. We said we will start. Come what may, we will keep improving ourselves, but we will start and we believe in the progress, not the perfection. And this is how we have started. This is the example of the job breakdown sheet. Sorry, it is not as nice as you, but this is just simply, we have written in the Hindi. This is written by the operator. Okay, he himself done this job, written it. Then again, after giving the demonstration or something, again he will refine it and all. And this is one of the refined content of the job breakdown sheet. So because he has to understand. So it has a step, it has the key points, it has the reasons why they have to do it. Just a couple of examples. So once this is done, if you are ready, next job is to presentation and try out the performance, which is very important. Now this thing requires a discipline and some force. We have to enforce this. So we have come up with the idea. One idea like, we said rule of 34, we have come up with this slang that, everybody has to start talking about 34. 34, what do you mean by 34? 34 means 3 times presentation and 4 times tryout. So any TWI JI trainer, he will have this rule of 34 in his mind. क्या करने का है? 34 किया क्या? हाँ 34 किया. That means he is doing his job in TWI. So this is just the push we have started. This is just initial, some fun-loving environment we wanted to try. So this is the 34 we have started. Now, before I explain, I wanted to show you the live thing, how we did it. How we are giving this 34 demonstration. Let me just share you this video. This is the based on the explanation, the thing that we have learned from the TWI trainers. So we are preparing the worker. So he is understanding what is the final product he wanted to do. The trainer is preparing. Then the trainer is arranging the workplace. He is following his JBS tools and everything.
ब्लू है हमारे पास
Giving him an idea what tools and consumables that we may need to do this job. Then he will start illustration, the presentation. So step by step he will go. He is following JBS over here. Simple example of setting the stones. Today you will be expert in setting the stone. Trust me. After this meeting. Now he is stressing on the key points. Which are the key points, important key points to set the stone? This is live, trust me. This is live. He's stressing the key points again and again. How to move that tool, on what direction. And then the reasons also. If he is doing something, why? Which is very important.
डायमंड शीट के ऊपर रखना डायमंड शीट के ऊपर रख दिया नेक्स्ट स्टेप है पॉइंटर कर्निश बराबर
Key points with reasons, which is very important. This we have to do 3 times. So the trainer has to demonstrate this operation 3 times. In between he has to make the worker comfortable plus make the worker confident by showing what exactly he did, And this is all under microscope. That's why we have put up the screen so that they can easily see. Now the same step he will repeat again, explaining things in more detail with the reasons, sorry. Giving reasons.
पॉइंट छोटा बड़ा होगा तो क्या होगा वो लूज होने के चांस है राइट एंगल से क्लॉकवाइज घुमा रहे हैं
So he is stating the reasons clockwise, straight angle, perpendicular.
ये डायमंड पुश करने के लिए हम लोग डायमंड पुशर यूज करते हैं डायमंड शीट सेकंड वाला डायमंड शीट के लिए
Now again with the reasons, some more points, more key points inside.
डायमंड के साइज से एक पॉइंट छोटा है अगर बड़ा हो जाएगा तो क्या होगा बड़ा नहीं होना चाहिए वो या तो डायमंड का साइज का होना चाहिए या तो एक पॉइंट छोटा होना चाहिए वो भी क्लॉकवाइज परपेंडिकुलर सीधा एंगल में सीधा एंगल में होना चाहिए नेक्स्ट स्टेप है पॉइंटर घुमाने का राइट सीधा एंगल से परपेंडिकुलर पहला 2 राउंड 3 राउंड हल्के हाथ से घुमाओ
So this is a knack that he is showing, 1 time, 2 time, what is the pressure that you have to give.
3 राउंड हल्के हाथ से घुमाओ फिर करते हैं ये है वर्निश का इसमें डायमंड लॉक होता है
So basically this is the process that we are following to set the diamond, and this is how he is training. He is explaining each and every key steps, reasons, etc.
परपेंडिकुलर एकदम सीधा एंगल पर रख के उसको घुमाना है
So this has been repeated for 3 times. I'm not going into all more details, but I'm just showing. So this is the steps that we are following to explain. So once this is done, now this is a basic presentation we call, or we call as a demo. This is how we set the diamond. Once the trainer has explained this, the next step is to trainee to present the job. Now it is his turn. So this is what we call as a tryout performance. Now the trainee will do the job. We have to make him comfortable first. That is very important.
स्टेप है वो पूरा क्लियर है और जो लिखा हुआ है निवेश में लिखा हुआ है सब सारा और तू कर सकते हो देखो हाँ स्टार्ट
Very important over here is he has to repeat these steps. He has to explain what is he going to do it. So that means the trainer will make sure that he is understood. Explaining the steps. Keep explaining. He has to keep explaining all the steps. The next step will be he has to give the reasons. Now whatever he is doing, he has to explain the reasons also to the trainer. That's very important. And this process he has to do 4 times. So it's 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, which will ensure trainer that he understood, he can demonstrate this job, he is ready for the next level.
कितना साइज छोटा बड़ा लिया है
So once this is done, now we feel he is ready. We will tell him now to start production. Then we have to start observing, and then slowly we have to taper it off. We have to move aside. No, but still, this is not the end of the problems. We again faced more problems. Now what happened when we started with this? We realized we have to give almost 1,944 to be precise, which is around 2,000 demonstration. 2,000 demonstration in gold and diamond was needs a lot of money. So we cannot invest so much. So we have to find out some other ways. How do we give them demonstration or presentation? And it is humanly not possible to do this kind of presentation day in, day out by 1%, 2%, 3%. So it is really a challenging. But as I said, every challenge has a solution. We have the answers. So we found out some good techniques to overcome this problem with the help of Kaizen team. So we have started recording all the videos. So whatever the training that we were giving, we have started recording the videos. Once the videos are started, we have recorded. The next step what we did is, we have started presenting them with the tabs. So we picked up a tab. Now this is how the trainer will sit and the worker will be there, and he will, the way he used to do earlier, now he is showing it on the screen. This is for the fresh trainees. Plus, we are trying now with the group demonstration also. So now we will call people and show them on the screen and try to explain them. This is mostly we are trying with these skilled people who are coming from the outside. So it depends. So these are the ways we are trying to expedite our process. So these are the solution we found. What are the results? Now to be very precise, we targeted around 150 people to train in December 2018. So our journey started from January 19. We just managed to train one person in that particular month. But then, slowly, our journey, we have picked up the pace. And today, we have almost trained 116 people on our shop floor. What happened? Internal skills. Now we say B level. So there is a transition from 0% to 100%. So what is that status? The orange says before TWI. So before TWI, if you see greater than 55% skill, there are hardly few people. And now, see how many we have in the black. So this is what the improvement happened. And if you see less than 55%, you will see now black is less. So that means we have more people shifted from less than 55% to now more than 55%, thanks to this wonderful technique. Reduction in training time. I'm just giving you a polished department, and this is for the skilled people. I'm talking about skilled people who are coming from outside, whom we have to train our way. So they already know the job, but not our way. So if you see, it takes 90 days earlier, before TWI, to train them. Now we are taking 24 days to train. So from 90 days, now we have come down to 24. Another operation setting, I'm just giving you example. Earlier it was 150 days, now it is only 3 days. So this is another drastic reduction in the time. I'm just giving you one example of this setter who has just joined 1 month ago in our company, and this is his view.
मैं इधर 5-6 साल से काम कर रहा हूँ माइक्रो सेटिंग में। तो मैं जब इधर आया तो मेरे को इधर का काम थोड़ा बहुत हाई लेवल का लगा, तो मेरे लिए वो थोड़ा चैलेंज था। तो इधर आया तो संदीप ने मेरे को अच्छे से ट्रेनिंग दी। वो ट्रेनिंग की वजह से मेरे को ये काम सीखने के लिए 5-6 महीना लगता था, उधर मैं एक महीने में काम सीखा। और ऐसा ट्रेनिंग मैंने अभी तक बाहर कहीं नहीं देखा, तो उसकी वजह से मेरे को बहुत फ़ायदा हुआ। मैं अच्छा काम कर पा रहा हूँ अभी इधर। और थैंक यू।
He was really amazed with this training, and I was very happy. He said, "I have never seen this kind of training earlier in all my earlier jobs." So I was very happy that he has trained. And this guy, within 1 month, we have trained him, and he has started now producing as per our quality. Going forward, as a company, we are expecting to grow 2 to 3 times in next 3 years' time. Now, this big leap, the challenge remains the same. We have to convert new employees or trainees into B-level skill within 1 to 3 months. Now, Saurabh sir says less than 1 month. He's not expecting 3 months is too long. So now we have to do it within 1 month's time. So this is what we have to do it. And this is possible. We are very confident this is possible. Why? Because we have a TWI-JI technique and we are learning lean system with Kaizen. So I'm very happy that definitely we are going to make it. Just before I conclude my presentation, I have one of my colleagues, my team member, Mr. Mukesh with me. I am behind the scene. I am no one actually. The main guy is this guy who has run this show, who is the one who has organized everything. He is our technical head who is helping all the trainers to do this job. So before I conclude, I'm just giving him a couple of minutes time to share his experience, and I'm sure he is delighted.
TWI-JI के पहले हम लोग ट्रेनिंग के लिए इतना इम्पोर्टेंस नहीं देते थे, मतलब इम्पोर्टेंस नहीं देते थे ना, हम लोग अपने वजह से ट्रेनिंग लेते थे। तो हमारे पास कोई प्लान नहीं हुआ करता था, और ना ही हम लोग ट्रेनिंग ऐसे जिम्मेदारी ऐसा समझते थे कि ट्रेनिंग अपना जिम्मेदारी ऐसा समझते नहीं थे। तो नए ट्रेनिंग को हम लोग जब लेते थे तभी उनको ऐसे ही सीनियर ऑपरेटर के बाजू में बिठाते थे और देखो करके तुम लोग अभी तुमको ये स्किल सीखना है करके। तो वो ऑपरेटर अपने तरीके से अलग अलग लोग अपने अपने अलग तरीके से सिखाते थे, और जब उनको टाइम मिलेगा तब सिखाते थे। तो कोई भी मॉनिटरिंग नहीं होता था उसके ऊपर। तो साल के बाद पता चलता हम लोग को, अरे ये बंदा तो कुछ कर नहीं रहा है। तो हम लोग उनको ब्लेम करते थे कि अरे अभी तुम्हारा ध्यान नहीं है काम में, या फिर तुम कैपेबल नहीं हो, इस तरीके से हम लोग ब्लेम करते थे। तो जब हम लोग ने TWI-JI के बारे में मतलब जानकारी ली, तो हम लोग का जो ट्रेनिंग देने का जो नजरिया है और जो तरीका है वो एकदम चेंज हो गया। जो कल हम लोगों ने सुना था कि रीति और नीति, तो एक्चुअली वो हम लोग का कल चेंज मतलब कल सुना मैंने बट रिपीट हो गया। हम लोग ने एक्चुअली वो चेंज हो गया जब सर ने हमें सिखाया, तो ट्रेनिंग का नजरिया ही हमारा पूरा चेंज हो गया। तो थैंक यू इनके लिए। तो अभी वो चेंज हो गया कि इनका जो स्लोगन है, तो द वैल्यू एडर्स हैजंट लर्न, इफ द वैल्यू एडर्स हैजंट लर्न, द ट्रेनर हैजंट टॉट। तो ये जो स्लोगन है एकदम घुस गया दिमाग में। तो वो हम लोग आगे चल के उनको फिर ट्रेनिंग लिया, सब लोग आगे इम्प्लीमेंटेशन हम लोग ने किया। तो और अभी हम लोग को एहसास हो गया है कि हम लोग 100% सही डायरेक्शन में जा रहे हैं TWI-JI की तरफ। और अभी हम लोग आगे चल के मतलब अभी जो हम लोग आ रहे थे, हम लोग अभी जैसा सर ने बताया कि हमारे लिए एकदम सिंपल है किसी को भी ट्रेन करना चाहिए। 3 महीने से हम लोग अभी 1 महीने पे आ रहे हैं, और अभी हम लोग चालू किया है जो डिफरेंशियल एबल जो होते हैं, तो उनको भी हम लोगों ने ट्रेनिंग देना चालू कर दिया है। और वो ये बिल्कुल ताज्जुब की बात नहीं है, क्योंकि हमारे साथ TWI-JI है। और तो थैंक यू काजन, थैंक यू TWI-JI, थैंक यू वेरी मच।
There is a thank you from my team also.
Thank you.